Okay, this afternoon's trip is a trip up a mountain. I'm not going to say where it is, but you'll guess where it is, and it is where the place you think it is. So, I'm fully equipped, possibly a bit too much equipment. So I have my Gold Sniffer 3000 on the bag, I have the banjo pan in the bag, I have the other pan clipped on the back of the bag, and then I just have a small bucket with the camping stove, a few bits of pipe and some water. So, on up we go. Alright, so I made it down to the first river. It's literally just the first river I came across on that trail. So you can see where this is quite fast flowing. I haven't said there was a lot of rain in the last few days, even yesterday was lashing. I didn't know if I'd get out. So this river runs down into a culvert and just goes under the bridge. You can see where there's quite fast flow here, bit of slow here. I think probably the easiest place I'll test is just over here first, because it's that way, just over there. And it seems like a nice slow patch. I have the pipes with me for the banjo pan to use as sluice if necessary, but I'll do a bit of panning first and see how we go. Right, let's see how this goes. So hopefully you can see this. Get the light. A tiny dot. Okay, I think you can quite make it on the camera. There's one tiny dot of gold there. I only ran not even an eighth of a bucket, just a little yellow bucket there. I used the Gold Sniffer 3000 and I just pushed the gravel out of there, and the gravel out of where the shovel is in the water and just upstream, and one micro dot of gold. That's not even a micro dot, that's reasonably, I can see it reasonably well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear some of the bushes here. I'm going to head on upstream. Actually, you can see a bunch of little, what looks like little mini waterfalls upstream. Oh, that looks very nice. Right, on upstream we go. Okay, so just give you an idea where I'm working out of. This is, not even sure what this is. It's iron. You can see iron oxide, lovely orangey colour rock here. And you can see as the water just drops down, it's really nice. What I did was I managed to, I sucker tube or shoveled out that into the little mesh basket I have up there, and then dropped it in. I'm going to drop it into the banjo pan. I haven't panned it yet because, you know yourself, panning takes time. I panned further down and I got some gold. So what I have is, this is just a piece of 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe, and at the very beginning of it is the connection off an old vacuum cleaner. I tried this out on the beach one day and I got a few comments saying, well, of course water will go through a pipe, but the whole point is I wanted to test what the flow rate would be, and the flow rate up here is pretty good. It's too bright, you can't really see it very well, but yeah, the flow rate is very well. I can make the flow rate better by making it a bit more of a dam further upstream, but having said that, this is beautiful, even in terms of just somewhere to just sit and listen to the river. I don't think anyone's been up here in a very long time, because a lot of the branches were overhanging over the river. You couldn't even get to the river, so I had to cut a few twigs and branches to get to it. So almost like a little natural bench. Sit down here, feed the sluice box, feed the banjo, what more can you want? So let's see if we can find any more gold. Okay, so I found this little ditch off to the side of the road. There's a tiny, tiny little river under here. There was loads of rain yesterday, and despite that, there's hardly any flow. But yeah, beautiful little stream. Goes off down to the forest. But yeah, this area here, it's all grey clay, iron oxide, beautiful material. 3, maybe 4 tiny specks of gold. I'm thinking that these represent the layers of the years. So you've got muck, and then you've got grey clay, and then there's some iron down further on down with a red oxidation. So there might well be gold here somewhere, but I haven't found it today. Having said that, I'm pretty much in the middle of nowhere. I don't get many complaints from the neighbours, but yeah, I remember I was saying to you earlier how you'll know where I am. I'm not going to tell you, but you'll figure it out. Yeah, you can figure out where I am. So I'm just going exploring every single river I can find. I have one particular river that I want to get to, but it's absolutely miles away. It's, well, a good another hour up the hill, but I'll get there in the end. This is the pack I have. It's just the banjo pan, the main rain pan at the back. I actually managed to squash all the the screens and everything into one bucket, so that's handy. It just, when it comes to carrying things, it just makes life easier just to have everything in one place. And then I have my stove and a little cup. So in the last video I was at the side of the road and we had about 6 or 7 windmills there, and it was a beautiful warm sunny day, and it was just the nicest weather. Well, that was about half an hour ago. Now we've got nice big dark clouds, and pretty soon I'll be hiding under the tree line to get away from hailstones. Yes, you heard right, hailstones. There's a few hailstones a few minutes ago. So that's the thing about Irish weather, you just really have to just come prepared. And earlier on I was absolutely roasting from wearing the jacket, but very much needed, especially at this time of year when there's people hunting. You don't want to get definitely don't want to get shot, so nice waterproof clothing, very important. Anyway, on the way upwards, I'm going to try and get to the very top of this as far as I can. I was going to consider getting to the peak, but at this hour of the day, it's just, I think it's just not happening. But even if I can get to the top there and look down over the valley. Right, so it turns out it wasn't actually around the next bend, it was the next bend after that. So that's when I was looking at it, I thought it was there. And you can see, I think this is Sleeve no More. I stand to be corrected, but basically that kind of looks down towards the sea. So almost there. At these 2 windmills, and then when I get up to down here, then I can turn right, and then the windmill that's over there is facing down towards Ballinagore. So from there I should be able to look down over the whole Gold Mines region, and hopefully it's not raining at that stage and I get a good shot. Okay, I made it. I'm up at windmill number 4, and here I am at the very peak. Well, the very peak is fair, so I'm going anyway. As you can see here in the sign, it mentions all the different things. It mentions, Ballinagore Bridge down that way. So, just trying to make out, it says Sugarloaf is over, where is it? Sugarloaf is there, and I can just about see the Sugarloaf in the corner there. I can't quite make it out there, but then you can see the Sugarloaf in the background. And further down the valley, see where Gold Mines River is as well. This is nice. So, what you need at the very top of a hill when you've been out for a walk is a bench. That's exactly what I'm doing. Okay, just if you're ever thinking of coming up here from Ballinagore, this is the trail you'll be on. They're like a bit of a dirt trail, not too bad, but so then as you walk along, you'll come to windmill number 4, and then from here you'll see a sign on the left hand side, and that's how you know you're there. The bench that I was on is just down there, and so yeah, I recommend come up here someday, even if not for gold, just to get a view of the place and just really just to get a vantage point. You come up here, you can see every single river. You can actually see look the Quilla from here on a clear day. I can just about see the Sugarloaf, so yeah, come on up. Right, so I just keep going up and up and up and up, and I don't know when this will ever end. And I know where the top is, but I keep saying that, oh yeah, no, I'll finish up now, because I can't even see my car from here. A long walk back. No, never. I'm loving it. Right, I've been walking. I've been up here for about 7 hours. I think I've reached my limit. That right there is the peak of Croghan. It's probably another kilometre or 2. Another kilometre, I'd say. But it's all uphill, and I'm here about 7 hours. I wasn't even intending to get into the peak. I just wanted to get up to the top to look down the valley to see what other gold places are available. So you can see here we have one of the windmills, and then behind that you can see all the way across the valley. It's really nice up here. I just left the bucket down for a minute so I can walk over here quicker. But it is one of the most beautiful, peaceful places in the world. I found a few rivers today. I think that'll have to do it. Right, I'll have to call it quits at that.